I wish you all a happy new year with lots of love and love and love. Okay, so here myself coming for you to give you a short message on this new year 2021. So for the past 1 year, I have been into this platform of online and trying to give webinars and workshop for all the parents and as well as the teachers in aspect of early education and primary education. Of all the doubts which has been discussed with me for about from the time of March till December, there was one single doubt which has always been every time I get a lot of inquiries. What is that doubt is how to engage your child. Every parent at home are really struggling to engage their child. So what can be the answer? The answer couldn't be one word or do this way or that way. It is a big process with which we had to do that. So we thought of creating a part of series of videos, a part 1, a part 2 video, and the part 3 video has been released this morning telling you with a message, allow your child to make mistakes. Okay, so this new year we are giving you an important message of allow your child to make mistakes and help them to engage more and more. If you have not watched any of our videos on how to engage your child, just there is in the description I have given the link for all the 3 videos, part 1, part 2, part 3, and all the 3 videos are going to be really helpful to kickstart this new year with your child with lots of love and with lots of interest to inculcate in your child. So with this, I'll take a leave from you and come back with another good important video for you. Thanking you.